What's up, guys? Let's jump right into this. This is 5 steps to the perfect chicken wing. You might be saying, Booyah, how can I trust you? Well, check this shit out, okay? They don't just hand these out to anybody, all right? Well, they do, but you have to win first place. Respect it. So let's bust open these chicken wings. Step 1, pat them dry. We're gonna get a paper towel and just pat them dry. You want that skin as dry as possible. Water is the enemy of crispiness. Now the other side. Now that they're patted dry, let's go ahead and add our oil. We're using a almond oil from Fresh Finish Farms. If you can't get yourself a nice heavy duty sprayer, put your oil in that, it makes it super easy. Today we're going to be using Blazing Star beef rub and Woodfire Whiskey lemon ranch seasoning. Always go heavy. Now let's do the same on the other side. Once you start seeing this gray white on top, that means these things are ready and lit. Step 2 is indirect cooking. Let's get into it. So we got a full chimney of charcoal right here. We're gonna pour them all right here, and then we're gonna put the wings on this side so you have that indirect cooking. You wanna pour the charcoal on the opposite side of wherever your chimney's at. So let's get all these over to this side. That's hot. Jealous devil, baby. Hotter than hell. So we're gonna be putting our chicken wings right here, but let's get this up to the temp. So we're gonna be looking for a grill temp of anywhere between 350 and 400 degrees. Okay, now that we're up to temp, let's go ahead and throw these wings on. The drums tend to have more meat and be thicker. Those are gonna be the ones closest to the fire, while the flats will be over on this side. I also like to put them skin side down because some of that fat and skin will protect the meat and get nice and crispy. Let's go. So now we have a few minutes to chill out, crack open a beer, whatever. Around 375 to 400 degrees, you have about 35, 40 minutes to chill out. Then we're ready for step 3. Okay, it's been almost 30 minutes. Let's check these out and see how they're doing. All right, we're about 170 degrees, which brings us to step 3. Let's give these a little flip as well. Okay, step 3 and 4 go together. Step 3 is when you're at the end, transfer your wings directly over the coals to get some char on them. Step 4, 200 degrees internal, okay? You want your wings at 200 degrees internal. I see this mistake all the time, even on blogs, cooking blogs. People always put 165. That is not when you want your wings done. You ever bite into a wing and it has that almost like slimy, tendony feel on the inside? You get some of that. I see so many of these online blogs saying, once you're at 165, they're done. They're not, okay? Dark meat on a chicken can go all the way up to 200 degrees without losing any juice, and in fact it's even better because that sinew, those tendon fats and stuff, those break down at higher temperatures and it brings more flavor into the meat. So 200 degrees for all dark meat. That's thighs, wings, legs. Come on. Come on. Step 3, let's get these directly over the coals. So these were all at about 190 to 195 degrees. Then it's time to transfer these over and get some char on them. So what you're looking for is this nice golden sear. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. We're not going for restaurant quality. We're not going for bar quality. We are going for top quality, okay? Ever since you tried that first bite of your barbecue that you made in your backyard, something goes off in your head that goes, I don't need to order this shit from a restaurant anymore. Anywhere from 195 to 200 degrees and you are good to go. You can even go to like 205 if you want. Now I tend to prefer a dry rub wing. I like the dry rub and I can dip it in whatever sauce I want. Or here's a bonus tip. If you want a sauced wing, do the drizzle, okay? Today I'm gonna be using Melinda's black truffle hot sauce. This stuff is absolutely killer. You can get it at Walmart. When you do it this way, you still get the crispiness of the wing. Things don't get soggy, but you also get that sauce distribution on a drizzle level. Okay, now the 5th and final tip is how you eat the wing. Obviously, we're going flats because we're not toddlers. Find the small bone. We're going to twist and free that small bone from the wing. Now you're holding onto one bone. This is all meat. Let's check it out. That's what I'm fucking talking about. So that's it. That's your 5 steps and a bonus step to perfect barbecue wings. Mess around with it. Have fun, okay? Try using cornstarch to get a little bit of extra crispiness. Mess around with your temperatures. That's the fun thing about chicken wings is that you can keep changing things. You can try all kinds of stuff, new sauces, seasonings, methods, and deep frying it after you get to 165 internal. Deep fry that thing. Anyway, have fun. Cheers. Oh, and like and subscribe. Fuck.